Hi guys, welcome back to Ron's Keto. Well, today we're making poached eggs. So what I did with this particular video, I took 3 eggs and put them in a little bit of warm water bath, and then I added a little bit of pink salt there just to get out any bacteria that might be in the eggs. And after they were ready to go, I got some pan of boiling water going on top of the stove, and then before that I cracked the 3 eggs into a separate bowl because I didn't want to get any shell in my eggs while I was boiling the eggs up for the poached eggs. And I was very careful not to break the eggs, and you can see really good color on the eggs. Now I typically get the pasteurized eggs, they're the ones that I can afford. But you know, you do you. If you can afford the better quality eggs, go for it. You can also get eggs from the local farmer and your farmers, and of course if you're raising chickens, you're that far much ahead of the game than I am. But yeah, so then we just added some salt and pepper over the top, and then now to get the water boiling, I was just carefully dropping the eggs into the liquid, and then let them go for about 3.5 to 4 minutes, and then once they were done, I put them on a piece of paper towel and patted them dry, and then I had some leftover cube steak that I warmed up in a microwave, and towards the end of the video you'll see the plate of steak and eggs that they had, kind of like the astronauts breakfast from the 1960s, if you remember. But yeah, these came out great. Would encourage you to experiment, try, and so I've heard some people say they put some vinegar in the water before doing the poached eggs, and some will actually take a spoon and stir the egg water before they put the eggs in. Once they put the eggs in, it'll stir it. And then over here, I broke one of my eggs when I put it on top of the plate. It was fine. They were fully cooked, and I enjoyed these. Eggs are one of my favorite meals when I'm, especially when I'm doing egg fast or anything like that. And I've made so many eggs over the years fasting that I felt sometimes one turned into a chicken. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.